Can an LLC deduct charitable contributions? Yes, an LLC can deduct charitable contributions, but the rules depend on how the LLC is taxed. If the LLC is taxed as a sole proprietorship or partnership, the donations pass through to the owners, and each member claims the deduction on their personal tax return, subject to IRS limits for individuals. If the LLC is taxed as an S-corporation, the same rule applies. The charitable deductions pass through to the shareholders, who report them on their individual returns. If the LLC is taxed as a C corporation, however, the business itself can deduct charitable contributions directly on its corporate tax return, up to certain limits set by the IRS. To qualify, donations must be made to IRS-recognized charities, and proper records such as receipts or acknowledgement letters are required. Contributions to individuals or political organizations do not count as deductible. Zen Business can form your LLC and help you choose the right tax setup so you know how deductions like charitable contributions will apply. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.